Simple steps to install epoxy, natural stone flooring. Installing epoxy, natural stone flooring in your home can be a great way to add value and beauty. This type of flooring is durable and easy to care for, making it a great choice for busy families. If you're thinking about installing epoxy, natural stone flooring in your home, here's what you need to know. First, you'll need to select the right type of epoxy. There are many different types of epoxy on the market, so it's important to choose one that is designed specifically for natural stone flooring. You'll also need to decide on the color and style of epoxy that you want. Step 1. Clean the concrete surfaces. If you're planning to install epoxy natural stone flooring in your home, it's important to first clean the concrete surfaces where the flooring will be laid. This will ensure that the flooring adheres properly and looks its best. To clean the concrete, start by sweeping away any debris or dirt. Step 2. Wet flooring. It is necessary to wet the flooring before you can install epoxy natural stone flooring. This is because the epoxy resin will not adhere to the concrete properly if the flooring is not wet. So, use a hose to wet the surface. Step 3. Prepare the acid etching mixture. Preparing the acid etching mixture is an important step in installing epoxy natural stone flooring. The acid etching mixture will help to create a rougher surface on the stone, which will allow the epoxy to better adhere to the surface. To prepare the mixture, you will need the following ingredients: 1 part muriatic acid, 1 part water, 1/2 part hydrogen peroxide. Mix these ingredients together in a bowl or container. Once the ingredients are mixed together, use a brush or roller to apply the mixture to the surface of the stone. Allow the mixture to sit on the stone for 10-15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Step 4. Scrub and etch. You have to etch the surface of the flooring with a strong acid solution before you can install epoxy natural stone flooring. Etching the floor is a very important step in the installation process, and it is important to do it correctly. If you do not etch the floor properly, the epoxy natural stone flooring will not adhere to the surface and will not last as long. Scrubbing the floor is also an important step, and you should scrub the floor with a stiff brush to remove all the dirt and debris. If you do not scrub the floor properly, the epoxy natural stone flooring will not adhere properly and will not last as long. Step 5. Mix epoxy coating. Epoxy natural stone flooring is a beautiful and durable option for your home. If you're planning to install this type of flooring, you'll need to mix epoxy coating. Make sure to mix this mixture very well to make a smooth flooring for your home. Step 6. Apply along the perimeter. Epoxy natural stone flooring is a type of flooring that uses epoxy resin to bind together pieces of stone. It is a durable and elegant type of flooring that is perfect for high-traffic areas. If you are looking for a way to spruce up your home or office, epoxy natural stone flooring may be the perfect option for you. Step 7. Roll on epoxy. Rolling on epoxy is a two-step process. First, you'll need to apply a base coat of epoxy to the floor. Once the base coat is dry, you can then roll on the stone flooring. This process is relatively simple and can be done in a matter of hours. If you're looking for a high-quality and durable flooring option, then epoxy natural stone flooring is a great choice. With a little bit of time and effort, you can have a beautiful and long-lasting floor that will add value to your home. Step 8. Apply a second coat. If you're installing epoxy natural stone flooring, it's important to apply a second coat of epoxy to ensure a strong bond. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. 1. Begin by cleaning the surface of the stone with a damp cloth. 2. Apply a thin layer of epoxy to the stone using a roller or brush. 3. Place the second piece of stone on top of the first, aligning the edges. Step 9. Finish your epoxy floors. Epoxy natural stone flooring is a beautiful and durable option for your home. However, before you can install this type of flooring, you need to make sure that your epoxy floors are finished. By following these tips, you can give a perfect finish touch to your floor.